my dear students. I am Satya from Department of Social Science. Now we are going to see about the lesson Volume 1, Geography Lesson 1, India Location, Relief and Drainage. Today's topic, Drainage System of India. Students, listen here. First, I asked some questions from previous topic, Peninsular Plateaus to Islands, which is also known as Indian Desert, Thar Desert. Thar Desert is also known as Great Indian Desert. What are the two major divisions of Thar Desert? Actual desert and semi-desert. Which is the largest lake in India? Silka Lake. Silka Lake is the largest lake in India. Which is the second longest beach in the world? Marina Beach. Marina Beach is the second longest beach in the world. Today's topic, drainage system of India. What's a drainage system? A drainage system is an integrated system of tributaries and a trunk stream which collects and drains surface water into sea, lake or some other body of water. The total area drained by a river and its tributaries is known as drainage basin. The drainage pattern of an area is the result of the geological structure of the respective areas. The river system provides irrigation, drinking water, navigation, power, as well as the grant livelihoods for a large number of population. The drainage system of India is broadly divided into two. What are they? Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. What's the Himalayan rivers? Himalayan rivers are found in North India and originate from Himalayas. So, they are called Himalayan rivers. What's the other name of Himalayan rivers? Perennial rivers. The rivers can be divided into two, Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Okay. Which rivers consist Himalayan rivers and which are the rivers consist peninsular rivers? The Himalayan rivers consist of Indus, Ganga, Brahmaputra. Peninsular rivers consist of Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri, Narmada and Tapti. First one, we have to see about the river, peninsular rivers, the Indus river system. The Indus river is one of the largest rivers of the world. It originates from the northern slope of the Kailas range in Tibet near Manasarovar Lake at an elevation of about 5,150 meters. Its length is about 2,880 kilometers. It's only 709 kilometers is in India. The river has a total drainage area extending 11,65,500 square kilometers, in which 3,21,289 square kilometer areas are drained in India. The Indus River flows through the Ladakh and Jaskar ranges and creates deep gorges. The river runs through Jammu and Kashmir, turns south near Chillar and enters Pakistan. What are the tributaries of Indus River? The major tributaries are Jhelum, Senab, Ravi, Beas and Sutlej. The Jhelum, Senab are the largest tributaries of Indus. Next, the Ganga river system. The Ganga river system is the largest drainage system of India. It extends over an area of 8,61,404 square kilometers in India. The Ganga plain is the most densely populated place in India, and many towns are developed on the banks of this river. The river Ganga originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri glacier in Uttargazi districts of Uttarakhand state. At an elevation of 7,010 meters. The length of the river Ganga is about 2,525 kilometers. What are the major tributaries of river Ganga? Its major tributaries from the north are Gomdi, Kandak, Koshi, Gagra, and from south Yamuna. Students, do you know the river Yamuna is the largest tributary of Ganga? Yamuna, San, Sampal, etc. These are southern rivers. The river Ganga is known as river Batma in Bangladesh. The combined river of Ganga and Brahmaputra creates, students listen here, the combined river of Ganga and Brahmaputra creates the world's largest delta known as Sundarbans in Bangladesh before joining the Bay of Bengal. Next, Brahmaputra river system. The river Brahmaputra originates from the Semayangdang glacier of the Kailas range to the east of the lake Manosarovar in Tibet at an elevation of about 5,150 meters. The total area is about 5,580,000 square kilometers. The total area of about 5,80,000 square kilometers. But the drainage area lying in India is 1,94,413 square kilometers only. This river is known as Shangpo. What do you mean? Purifier in Tibet. What's the other name of Brahmaputra river? Shangpo. What do you mean? Purifier. The length of the Brahmaputra river is about 2,900 kilometers. For example, 900 kilometers in India. It enters into India through a gorge in Arunachal Pradesh, namely the Digang. It has many tributaries. What are they? Tista, Manas, Barak, Shubhanshri are some of them. The river is also called as Jamuna in Bangladesh. What's the other name of river Brahmaputra? Jamuna. Jamuna in Bangladesh. After it's joined with the river Ganga in Bangladesh, the river is also called Meghna. What are the characteristics of Himalayan rivers? Himalayan rivers originate from Himalayas. It's long and wide, perennial in nature, and suitable for hydropower generation. Middle and lower courses are navigable. Next, peninsular rivers. What's a peninsular rivers? The rivers in South India are called the peninsular rivers. Most of the rivers originate from the Western Ghats. What's the other name of peninsular rivers? Seasonal rivers. It's non-perennial rivers. They have a large seasonal fluctuation in volume of water. What do you mean fluctuation? Fluctuation means variation. So, They have a large seasonal variation in volume of water as they are usually fed by rain. These rivers flow in valleys with steep gradients based on the direction of flow. The peninsular rivers are divided into two. What are the division of peninsular rivers? The peninsular rivers are divided into two. What are they? West flowing rivers and east flowing rivers. Next, east flowing rivers. First one, Mahanadi. The river Mahanadi originates near Sigawa in Raipur district of Chhattisgarh and flows through Odisha. Its length is 851 km. What are the tributaries of Mahanadi? Shivnath, Kelan, Shantur and IB are its major tributaries. The main stream of Mahanadi gets divided into several tributaries such as Paika, Birupa, Chittatala, Jinguti and Nan. All these distributaries form the delta of Mahanadi, which is one of the largest deltas in India. Mahanadi, one of the largest deltas in India. The Mahanadi empties its water in Bay of Bengal. Next, Godavari. Godavari is the longest river, 1465 km with an area of 3.13 lakh km square among the peninsular rivers. Godavari river is also called Vrida Ganga. It originates in Nasik district of Maharashtra, a portion of Western Ghats. It flows through the states of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh before joining Bay of Bengal. Purna, Penganga, Pranita, Indravati, Dal and Shalami are its major tributaries. The river near Rajamundri gets divided into two channels called Basista and Gautami and forms one of the largest deltas in India. Students, do you know Kollar Lake? Kolleru, a freshwater lake, is located in the deltaic region of the Godavari. Next, Krishna. The river Krishna originates from a spring at a place called Mahabaleshwar in the Western Ghats of Maharashtra. Its length is 1400 km and an area of 2.58 lakh square kilometer. It is the second longest peninsular river. Krishna river is the second longest peninsular river. What are the tributaries of Krishna river? Bhima, Betavahu, Mushi, Koina and Tungabhadra are the major tributaries of river Krishna. It also flows through Andhra Pradesh and joins in Bay of Bengal at Hamasala Devi. Next, Kaveri. The river Kaveri originates at Talakaveri, Kudagu hills of Karnataka. Its length is 800 km. The river Kaveri is called Dakshin Ganga. What's the name of Kaveri river? Dakshin Ganga, or the river Kaveri is also called Dakshin Ganga or Ganga of South Harangi. What are the tributaries of river Kaveri? Hemavati, Kabini, Bhavani, Arkavati, Noyal, Amaravati, etc. are the main tributaries of the river Kaveri. In Karnataka, the river bifurcates twice, forming the Sagar Islands of Srirangapatnam and Sivasamudram. While entering Tamil Nadu, the Kaveri continues through a series of twisted wild gorges until it reaches Hohanakal Falls and flows through a straight, narrow gorge near Salem. The Kaveri breaks at Srirangam Island with two channels, River Koleron and Kaveri. At last, it empties into the Bay of Bengal at Pumbugar. Next, west flowing rivers. West flowing rivers Narmada and Tapti. Now we have to see about the first river Narmada. Narmada river rises in Amarkantak plateau in Madhya Pradesh at an elevation of about 1057 meter and flows for a distance of about 1312 kilometer. It covers an area of 98,796 square kilometer and forms 27 kilometer long estuary before outfalling into the Arabian Sea to the Gulf of Cambay. River Narmada is the largest among the west-flowing rivers of peninsular India. Its principal tributaries are Barnar, Halon, Heron, Banchar, Dudi, Chakkar, Tava, Barna and Kolar. Next, Tapti. The river Tapti is one of the major rivers of peninsular India with the length of about 724 kilometers. It covers an area of 65,146 square kilometers. Tapti river rises near Multai in the Betul district of Madhya Pradesh at an elevation of about 752 meters. It is one of only the three rivers in peninsular India that run from the east to west. The others being the Narmada and Mahi. What are the tributaries of river Tapti? The major tributaries of Wagi, Gomai, Arnavadi, Aner, Neshu, Bure, Panchra and Bori. It outfall into the Arabian Sea through the Gulf of Cambay. What are the characteristics of South Indian rivers? The characteristics of South Indian rivers are originate from Western Ghats and short and narrow, non-perennial in nature, suitable for hydropower generation, not useful for navigation. Students, do you know South Indian rivers? What's the name of South Indian rivers? South Indian rivers? Peninsular rivers. What's the peninsular rivers? Seasonal rivers. Okay. This lesson is over. Next revision. Students, listen here. I asked some questions from today's topic. Are you ready? What are the division of drainage system of India? The drainage system of India can be divided into two. What are they? Himalayan rivers and peninsular rivers. Mention the west flowing rivers. The west flowing rivers are Narmada and Tapti. What are the tributaries of river Kaveri? Hemavadi, Gabini, Bhavani, Arkavadi, Noyal, Amaravadi are the tributaries, main tributaries of river Kaveri. Students, listen here. Take your note. I give some one more questions. Note it. First question. Dash river system is the largest drainage system of India? Answer. Ganga. Second question. The river Dash is also called Vrida Ganga? Answer. Godavari. Third question. The river Dash is called Dakshin Ganga? Answer. Kaveri. Students, listen here. Next homework. All are take a diary. Note today's homework. Page number 92, 93, 94, 95. Read thoroughly. I will conduct MCQ test tomorrow. We will meet next class. Bye.